flowers, tomato tower, all frame. Oh, here's trellis. Trellis. Roll vertical, save space. Just get one. Let's see, what do I got? I get one, and then here we are. 4-panel tomato tower. Huh. Should probably get something for the tomatoes. Oh, what's over here? Jalapenos, banana, sweet pepper, no beans, garden, sage. No. Alright, hold on. Thinking I should probably get some of these things. Might help keep the squirrels away too. So I don't know what size. Get this out of here. No? What about you? No? Green? Do we want green? About black. Or do we want a tomato tower? Do we want a tomato tower? A-frame trellis. Oh, adjust and width. Grow. Oh, okay. Are we gonna get one of these?